Hey, what's going on guys? This is Kedar here and I was trying to use the Discord but I'm getting this error. Well, this is awkward. Looks like Discord has crashed unexpectedly. All you can do is reload. Well, so what is really going on with this error? Well, this is awkward. What is this error all about? Why this error is occurring to tons and tons of people? And here is a screenshot guys, and here you can see we have got some details from the Discord support.discord. So let's get right into it. Alright guys, now first of all let me show you right over here into the down detector. Well, oh my goodness, just check this out. 3718 outage reports. Oh my goodness, that's a lot. Now what is really going on? Let me show you onto the Twitter. Alright guys, so here you can see Discord is getting tons and tons of error. Check this out. Discord awkward. My PC is saying, well, this is awkward. Discord crashed unexpectedly. What's happening to Discord? Discord servers down. What to do with Discord? Very awkward. Check this out guys. Tons and tons of people are reporting both website and app is down. Discord is not working as of right now, just 9 minutes ago. A very recent update, and see how many outage just reported. So basically the Discord is truly down. So guys, what's the latest update when the Discord servers will be back up and running? Let me show you all the latest details and let me show you what's really going on. Alright guys, so yeah, truly this is awkward error because there is no description what we should do, whether the servers are down, what we can do. Well, there is no update, but is that the case? Let's check it out from the Discord support. Well, right over here we get the latest update right from the Discord support team. So let's check it out. Alright, so let's check it out their recent update, what they are talking about. Alright guys, so I have checked out all the updates, but I didn't found any latest update regarding this awkward error that we are getting. But in fact, they have got an article onto the support.discord.com regarding this Discord feedback. Well, this is awkward error, and this is the error that this fellow is talking about. But here is the thing guys, apparently there is no particular solution to this problem. Looks like the Discord servers are down, and that's why Discord is crashing and it is not working. Now do me a favor, and if you got any solution, let the community know. And guys, truly the outage reports are increasing. That means the Discord servers are down and we just need to wait till the servers are back up and running. Once I get any latest details guys, I'll keep you posted. Make sure to hit that like, share this video, subscribe, and this is Kedar from How to Guys. See you in the next video.